Okay, after we left Atlin, we went up to Whitehorse, did some laundry, stayed the night there, caught up on some stuff. I spent one night there, and then we went up. The next night we went to Takhini Hot Springs, and we stayed the night there and enjoyed the hot springs. It was very nice. And then there was some lightning storms in the middle of the night, but otherwise we slept really good. The hot springs were great. We're on our way to Takhini Hot Springs. We're going to spend the night there. We got caught up on all our RV stuff that we need to do, laundry, all that exciting stuff. So we're going to go relax in Takhini Hot Springs, kill some time because we don't have to be the Skagway for a couple days yet. So hopefully we get some good video there. Are you excited? So here we are, Takhini Hot Springs. Oh, I guess we go over here for the campground. Because Mark reads signs while I'm filming. I could go that way.
What way?
To the lodge, because all the campground stuff's over there. There we go. I'll go check in. So this is what we use for leveling, and then we also use these little orange things. They're lightweight and cheap. Those are the jacks that's making all noise. And then also we have our little bubble that we watch from side to side, and this is from front to back. And then we'll put our little leveling jacks down here for a little more stability. And that's how we get level, huh? And now it's time to put the kitties in. They're all excited. So we do one at a time. Come here, kitty, kitty. Okay. And then you take the kitty. And then they just jump in there. Now go get the other one. Now we get the other cat.
And she whines because she's good at it. She talks all the time. That's what she does.
And then now she wants to eat. Her like
Pavlov dog.
she'll be looking for her food right now. That's what we do when we set up, get the kitties all watered and fed, and then we do the rest. Here's the Takhini campground. It's really nice and wooded, very quiet. Very nice. Now we're walking over here through the trail and going to the hot springs. Check it out. But it's thundering, so we don't know if it's still open or not.
Oh, well, why are you doing that? I'm looking at the sign.
Okay, here's the pool. We're just videotaping now. It's currently closed because of the lightning, so I'm just gonna videotape what it looks like right now. There's nobody in here because of the lightning. Here's the locker rooms here. No one's in. And then they got a shower before you get in. And you come out this way. And it's supposed to be magnesium, iron, and oh gosh, what's the third one? I forgot already. Yeah, there's no sulfa. There's the entrance. Nice. It's magnesium, iron, and something else. Oh, it's nice and calm without anybody in there. Kind of lucky to get a picture of it like this.
Yep.
And the iron gives it the red look. I'll find out what that third ingredient is. I remember now. Magnesium, calcium, and iron. That's what it has in it. So, kind of lucky to get a view with nobody in it. He was nice enough to let us in. But, of course, we can't get in with the lightning. Thunder and lightning. But he said it's going to roll over, so it'll be nice. Oh, I can't wait to get in now. Oh, it'll be nice. The reflection in there. Pretty. Yeah, wouldn't that be cool if there's a little lightning reflection in the pool? That would be different. There's the entrance there. Yeah, maybe this is a hotter one over here. I don't know. Or the cooler one. There you go, outdoor shower here. So, it looks pretty nice. That reflection's gorgeous on there. Nice wood walkway around it. Very nice. And the reflection in the water is gorgeous. So, very nice. And then we're back to the opening here. And we just come out here. Well, I got really lucky to be able to film it without anybody in it. Nice calm water and really pretty reflections and stuff. It'd be nice when we can get in, huh?
Yeah.
I even gave a tour of the locker room.
Yeah, there you go.
Since no one was in it. You want to give a tour of the men's?
No. It's probably the same as the women. Yeah,
here's a frozen hair contest.
there you go. Calcium.
Iron and magnesium. There's the best female. Best male. Best group. Oh, look at the whole group.
Yeah.
It's 40 below when you do this?
Celsius.
Yeah,
Celsius, oh.
20, 25, 30, it starts to be possible. You don't have to hold it too long in the air.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, that's crazy. Here's the older pictures of it when they're building it. How long's it been here?
A long time. It used to be a trading post for First Nation.
Oh.
And then it was brought by the people and so on. And that moved from one owner to another.
Uh-huh.
And now they're building a new hot spring facility, the one you see up there.
Oh, that'll be nice.
Yeah, so that's what you can see in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Small building and the bigger platform.
Oh, so they're going to do more natural.
Exactly, more natural
pools.
looking. This pool has been around for about 40 years, and then they covered it with fiberglass later on back in.
Okay.
All right.
Well, thanks
But
for
we
letting me.
should, in a half an hour, we should let people back in. It really seems like it's passing
Yeah.
within 15, 30 minutes. Except
Okay.
that there's another one behind the tree
Oh.
I don't see coming, but
Yeah.
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 You never know.
You never know exactly.
Yeah. All right.
So we'll check back in there. Well, thanks for letting me videotape and
No
everything.
problem. I'm sure you had the good footage.
It's kind of dark.
All over.
Everybody has
Where are
put
you from?
where they're from. All the dollars from the
De donde es usted?
different countries.
From everywhere.
Yeah. All these pens from where everybody's from. Even out in Africa. Australia. Lots of
From
New
South
Zealand.
America.
No.
Or Russia. There's a few
Russia.
from Russia.
Greenland and Iceland. Lots from the United States.
Of course.
And then South America. I think maybe they don't travel as much. Well, it's really pretty here. Well, we better go get our swimsuits. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and tell us what you think in the comments below.